This past year has been life-changing. I began speaking at Prepper Camp in September 2023, and my speaking career took off from there. Since then, I have spoken in several states. I unfortunately had to turn down many of them because of distance. I began a homesteading and prepping community group in my local area, and I even had my very own prepping event where I hosted speakers for a day to raise money for the community group. The last event for the year was at Mountain Readiness Fallout in Harmony, North Carolina on October 18th through the 20th. I wasn't sure if the event would take place due to the road closures following Hurricane Helene. However, it did happen, and it was quite something. I did enjoy the smaller class sizes and being able to teach without being on an extremely strict time schedule. However, the sleeping arrangements were much different than what we have experienced with other events. We slept in our vehicle, and it was cold. And I mean cold. I am thankful for my extra long sleeping bag that is rated to go down to 0 degrees. Being able to sleep right next to the tent that we set up for selling books and other herbal supplies was nice. Not many showed to the event. However, I was able to meet some fantastic people. At any event that I speak at, I get attached to certain people. We were set up right next to Salt Jim, and the history that he knew and the pure salt that he sells was magnificent. I really enjoyed getting to know him. Here is a picture of him along with Suzanne Shires, who is an herbalist. I have thoroughly enjoyed the experience I have gained by speaking at all these events over the past year and the people that I have met. One that stands out the most is Butch Erskine, who I met at an expo in Kentucky back in March. He is like a big brother. He is giving, caring, and I know he would be there for me if I ever needed him. I am a much better person after meeting and getting to know him. He is over Hope for Survival. If you have a chance, go to hopeforsurvival.com and see what this is all about. He helps so many people. So many doors have opened for me this year, and I am thankful. If anyone here wants to know more about me, please visit www.theweeddoc.net. You can also sign up on that website for my bi-monthly herbal newsletter if you would like to learn more about herbs. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.